Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any lawn enthusiast, the Southern Ag Amine 2 4D Weed Killer. If you're tired of battling pesky dandelions and other stubborn weeds in your lawn, stick around because we've got the solution you've been searching for. Let's jump right in. What makes this product stand out from the rest? Well, folks, let me tell you, it's hailed as the best dandelion killer for lawns for a reason. With its powerful formula and easy application, Southern Ag's Weed Killer is a game-changer in the world of lawn care. First off, let's talk about its effectiveness. Just listen to what our satisfied customers have to say. Ted from South Texas struggled to get rid of certain weeds on his 5-acre property until he tried this product. Within a week of spraying, those stubborn weeds were gone, thanks to Southern Ag's powerful formula. And it's not just Ted who's singing its praises. Elizabeth Villegas shares her success story, boasting about a lawn free of weeds for 2 years straight. Now, who wouldn't want those kinds of results? But wait, it gets even better. This weed killer is incredibly easy to use. Just follow the simple application instructions, mix it with water, and spray it on your lawn. It's as easy as that. Plus, it comes in a convenient 32-ounce bottle, so you'll have plenty to tackle even the largest of lawns. In conclusion, if you're tired of battling dandelions and other stubborn weeds in your lawn, look no further than Southern Ag's Amine 2 4D Weed Killer. With its powerful formula, easy application, and eco-friendly design, it's truly the best dandelion killer for lawns on the market. That wraps up today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy gardening!